Happy May, everybody! I hope that this year has been going well. Welcome to Photography 101 with David Hancock. I am David Hancock, YouTube's photography professor. This month's assignment, Selfie Time. That's right. Photographers are notorious for not wanting to take photos of themselves and not wanting to be in front of the camera. This month, you're going to have to do that. So, your objective this month is to take a whole roll of photos of you. If you're using digital, it's 35 to 36 photos of you. So, this first week, I want you to get used to the idea, if you're not already, that you're going to be in front of the camera. I want you to start thinking about the types of photos that you would like to be in. Start getting an idea in your head about how you would like to present yourself in your own photos of yourself. Start thinking about how to execute those. Do you want to take photos of yourself going out and doing things? Are you going to do them at home in an in-home studio? Start thinking about what types of things you would like to wear. And then in the second week, start getting really granular about that. Are you going to do 35 different photos? Like something fun, something serious and professional, something out and about that you've accomplished, something at home. Are you going to try different colored backdrops? Backdrops don't have to be fancy. Grab a blanket, things like that. Shower curtain could be a good backdrop. How are you going to structure the image? Are you going to put props in them or not? Start thinking about those things over the next 2 weeks. And when the second video for this month goes live, be prepared to execute them. So the objective with this assignment is to get you comfortable with being in front of the camera. But it's more than that. Because being uncomfortable in front of the camera shows. It shows in photos of subjects, whether it's you or another person or something like that. You can tell if a dog likes being photographed or not by the way it looks in its photos. So your objective here is to get yourself comfortable with being in front of the camera so that when you're photographing someone or something that is obviously uncomfortable being in front of a camera, you can relate to what they're going through and help them get comfortable with being in front of the camera so that your results look better and they're happier with the images that they get from you. So I'll see you again in 2 weeks on the second Thursday of this month, and I'll follow up with your progress. Have a good 2 weeks, everybody.